The lightning express from the depot so grand had just started on its way. All of the passengers gathered on board seemed to be happy and gay, but one little boy who sat by himself, he was reading a letter he had. You could plainly tell by the look on his face that the contents of it made him sad. The stern old conductor then started his rounds, collecting everyone there, and finally reaching the side of the boy, gruffly demanded his fare. I haven't got any ticket, but I'll pay you back someday. I'll put you off at the next station, sir, but stopped when he heard the boy say, please, Mr. Conductor, don't put me off this train. The best friend that I have in this world is waiting for me in pain, expected to die any moment and may not live through the day. I want to reach home and kiss mother goodbye before God takes her away. A little girl sitting close by, none to blame. If you put that boy off, it's a shame. Taking his hand, a collection she made, and put the big maid on the train. I'm much obliged, miss, for your kindness to me. You're welcome, said she, never feared. Each time the conductor would pass through the car, the boy's words would ring in his ear. Please, Mr. Conductor, don't put me off your train. The best friend that I have in this world is waiting for me in pain. She's expected to die any moment and may not live through the day.